there. You understand? These awards are bought. Ricky Rick told you kids that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So buy the award or don't complain about it.
Young Busisias, my Metro Awards don't define who you are. You are very strong, you're a beautiful woman, and
So there's a conversation happening right now in the South African music scene, and it's got people divided. Nota recently came out and shared his thoughts on Zinqumalo not winning a single award at the Metro FM Awards, and honestly, he didn't hold back at all.
7, and she didn't win nothing.
Zinqumalo got 7 nominations and she didn't win anything.
I felt that.
Yeah, everyone felt that.
Now here's the context. Zinqumalo was nominated in 7 different categories. 7! That alone tells you the kind of impact she's had. But when the night ended, she walked away with nothing. And that didn't sit well with Nota and the rest of the country.
Zinqumalo sifuna uzucabanga ukuthi la eSouth Africa sikuthandi, we don't appreciate music wakho no siswami. Ama Metro FM Awards lesingayitshela ukuthi asaqhubeka naludodi lwababewenza lokudayisa ama awards. Masitsho Themba lento enzeka 2015 ngebaphinde bawenze lo yadodi lana yabo. But it seems like basaqhubeka bayadayisa ama awards yabo, because I don't understand ukuthi best female artist awiwina kanjani. Because ayikho female esondela kuwena, like ayikho female artist ecompete no Zinqumalo la South Africa. UZinqumalo mfethu from 2024 to 2025. Yabo nje last year umuhamba wedwa Zinqumalo, umukruza wedwa udedela ama hits after hits, like ungena kumaskandi, ungena kuyona yonke igenre, ufika udedela ihits khona yabo. Like yabo nje 2025 nekunyaka wakho. Ihits emikhona mina uZinqumalo, and umuntu omenza leyo ngoma ukuthi le hit mekuZinqumalo. Sithuke kabi nje izolo ukuthi hawu kanti umuntu competition indlela umudedela ngama hits, mina mengayitshothi une competition namanje futhi angikuboni une competition la South Africa, because akekho okosezingeni lakho, akekho kwi level yakho Zinqumalo yabo. Even the artist of the year, we don't understand ukuthi how awuyiwinanga kanjani.
According to him, the issue isn't just bad luck or tough competition. He's actually pointing fingers at her management team. He believes they could have done more behind the scenes to make sure she secured at least one win. But then he took it even further. Nota made a bold claim that these awards are not always as clean as people think. In his words, they're being bought. And because of that, he's basically saying that if you're not playing that game, you're going to lose. He even went as far as saying life isn't fair. So either you play the game or you keep losing while others win. Now that's a heavy statement, because if what he's saying is true, then it raises serious questions about how these award shows actually work. But at the same time, not everyone agrees with him. Some people feel like it's being controversial as usual. Now let's talk about Zinqumalo herself, because after the awards, it was clear she wasn't okay. And honestly, you could feel it. She didn't even try to hide it or pretend everything was fine. She went on X and posted something that a lot of people could relate to. She said, "God, you are confusing me. I just lost 7 awards, but my EP is doing well. What must happen?" That right there is real. Because imagine putting in all the work, seeing your music perform well, getting recognition through nominations, but still not getting that final validation on the big stage. It messes with your head. And people noticed. Fans immediately flooded the comments with support. A lot of them were saying the same thing, that she deserved to win, that she's still a star, and that awards don't define her. And honestly, they have a point. Even Prince KB stepped in and shared his thoughts. He commented and said, "Those things don't mean anything. Get to work." Which basically means that Zinqumalo should just focus on being the superstar that she is and continue working hard. Short, direct, but also kind of powerful. Because at the end of the day, awards come and go, but the music, the impact, the fans, that's what really lasts. But still, you can't ignore how moments like this affect artists. Whether you agree with Nota or not, One thing is clear. Conversations about fairness, industry politics, and how awards are decided are not going away anytime soon. And maybe that's the biggest story here. Because when artists are doing the work, putting out great music and still walking away empty-handed, people are going to start asking questions. So what do you think? Is Nota exposing something real, or is he just stirring the pot again? And do awards actually matter, or they just a bonus? Let me know what you think. Nota also mentioned Naledi Aphiwe, and this part felt a bit more emotional. He said he feels sorry for her, especially because people actually saw her putting in the work, campaigning, asking fans to vote, pushing hard, doing everything she could to secure a win, and still nothing. Didn't win as well. So from its perspective, it's like, what's the point of all that effort if the system isn't fully in your control?
I feel bad for Naledi Aphiwe.
Okay.
Because she really tried. You know what I mean? Like that kid really tried. She had votathons, she had events, she bought cupcakes, she did the whole entire, like she was really going in like an innocent, but you know what I mean? She's an innocent little child. She's a 19-year-old kid. She doesn't know to buy awards. You understand what I'm saying? She missed her flight.